Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sonali from It Starts at Home, and I am so excited to share with you the Solar System Edition book which I have created under Funtivity Junior Activity Book. It's for ages 4 to 6, and there are amazing 34 fun-packed activities, flashcards, posters that are included in this. Let's just take a quick overview. You have just something to begin with. Activity belongs to, count and write how old are you, and when do you cut your birthday cake, and a cake which is also themed solar system, and something out of the world, a solar system poster that can be placed, and something just to look at, just to have a quick view of the solar system and how sun and the planets are surrounded around it. Then we have the solar system is a big family of planets that go around the sun. We have the solar system has 8 planets, a fun fact. Then planets and positions of all the 8 planets here. Then you have these amazing flashcards. They are big. You can actually present them in a file and folder, or you can cut them and laminate each one of them to use. The fun part is the images are super cute, and there is a very simple little fact about each of the planets, and as you can see, they are looking super cute. Then we have a matching activity, which is let's match the planets. Then we have can you count and write all the suns and moon, which is right here. So a little bit of like sun, moon, different kinds of pictures, but all associating the same thing. Then you have can you spot the sun and count all the planets around it. So we are using the same picture again and trying to ask the kids to spot the sun. It's a great activity, of great bundle for homeschool, for learning centers, for doing it in the school with the kids, or just as it is a home unit to begin with. Now create your own solar system. You can use the pictures below. Let an adult help you to cut paste in the universe sheet below. So you have a lot of these pictures and a universe sheet where the child can you can help the child to cut, and then they can paste it here, or if they want to just do whatever they want to and paste on a different picture or white paper altogether, they can. But if you'll see, there's a cow which is jumping around the moon. Then you have a rocket there. Then you have a planet which is like with the girl with pink hair. Then again a girl with the pink hair with the flower. A nappy sleepy moon here. A beautiful star with a bow. Then you have planet Earth where it shows a cap. There's a muffler here. Sun is playing the guitar, and a moon with a hat. Then you have like a rover right here with the planet Mars, then a beautiful Jupiter with the balloon. And so there are a lot of fun elements for children to look at each one of them and just talk about them and say they're how so funny. Like one planet is taking its tongue out. Definitely Jupiter is showing the trident and the crown around it. Sorry, the Saturn. The Jupiter is right here with the mustache, which is very cute. And then one on a rollerboard, skating just a rollerboard. Sorry, just skating around, and with a cool hat and a pair of shades. So then you have look at the pattern and paste what comes next in the blank space. Images are below. You have all these images and look at the pattern. Whatever comes next, you have to cut it out. And for doing this activity, make sure that there's an adult who is cutting and presenting the child with the activity right here, and then they can paste. Then we have decode hidden words by using alphabets beside each image. Then you have the grid here with 9 pictures and pictures here. Whichever picture represents an alphabet, they have to try and create the word here. Now you have these amazing set of one more flashcard here, and what you can do is you can cut out these cards and play a matching game, or arrange them in order of sequence. As you can see, you can just see that they have been labeled as Earth, which is third in solar system, Mars, and you can just place them on the floor and you can like put them and play a sequencing game, or you can try and play a lot of other games around it. Now there's a maze puzzle here for the dog to reach to the rocket. Then can you spot Earth amongst all the other planets? You have to spot where Earth is, which is quite evident, but let the kids figure it out. It's right here. And then you have a lot of these cute puzzles and find the pictures below. In between you have the pictures that are here, the images are here, the children have to just find them. Then again here another poster here for the kids to find. You have a coloring page, you have a color page here as well. You can use fingertips, q-tips, you can paste small piece of paper, you can do paint painting, roll your car wheels in the color paint and just like do it. You can do salt painting, puffy paint. You have a lot of things here to paint. And then you have the last activity, which is match the same pictures. So guys, this whole activity kit has 34 amazing activities. This whole set is available on my Etsy, and you can see that the activity has been created with a lot of love, keeping in mind that the kids should have fun. So the link is in the description box below where you can find this activity. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and please share these amazing activities with your friends and families or people in your school, and that would be great. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.